Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a very cute anime schoolgirl. So let's go ahead and start by sketching an oval to help you draw the head. Next, we're gonna start drawing the rest of the body. So let's go ahead and start by drawing the neck first and then the shoulders. The torso, start by drawing two lines parallel to each other. And then to make the waist, draw the lines going a little bit outward. And then we're going to draw a V shape right here and start drawing the legs by doing the top part of the thighs first. Then we're going to continue drawing the rest of the thigh parts ending at the knees, and we're just going to round out the ends there. And then after that, we're going to start drawing the other part of the leg, kind of starting going outward at the top and then going inward just to make the calf area kind of pop out. For the feet, I'm going to start by drawing the shoes. So we're going to just lengthen the legs a little bit, and then we're going to start rounding out the parts of the shoes just like that. For this pose, she'll be holding a school bag, so we're going to draw the arms going inward like so. And for the hands, they will be shaped a little bit like a rounded triangle. And then now I'm just going to draw the school bag, so you can just follow along with me and pause the video if you need to. So now that our base sketch is done, we're going to move on and start drawing her clothes, so you can follow along with me and pause the video if you need to. Next, we're gonna move on to the face and the hair. Start by drawing a few strokes for the top part of the eyes. Next, just start shaping the eyes like so. And now I'm just filling in the eyes in my style. I'm really sorry, it's kind of blurry because my camera started focusing on my hand instead of the drawing. But you can kind of see a little bit. We're just drawing a circle in the corner and then making a U shape on the bottom and then coloring in the top, just like that. So now we're moving on to the hair. We're gonna start by drawing the bangs first and then the side bangs. And then we're gonna draw a little section of hair going to the top on both sides. And then after that, we're gonna start at the very top of the root of hair and make it start going from the top to the bottom, just like that. So we're pretty much finished with our drawing. Now I'm just going to start erasing a few areas and just clean it up a little bit so that we can start adding our final details. So this is how our final drawing turned out. That's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and comment down below any other video ideas that you guys have. I will see you guys in the next video.